more. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we just picked up a 2001 BMW Z3 ClownShoe, and it does need some work. It's wrecked in the front, but it's very clean. It got the walnut interior. Definitely a very nice spec. It's also a dining car, extended leather. But I'll be working on this car with my brother, so let's go ahead and get straight to work. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start by changing the strut because the strut is bent, so we can get this car rolled inside and go ahead and order all the parts that we need. And it's definitely gonna need to be put on a frame machine, but we're just gonna go ahead and get this car rolling for now. All right, guys, so we finally got all the new suspension put together. We got a stock strut on there for now. We're gonna try ordering a new KW strut. It looks like the whole car had nice struts on it and looks like they're basically brand new. But let's go ahead and lift it up, put a new wheel on it, and roll it in the shop, and we're gonna go ahead and get a parts list going. So my brother's gonna go ahead and put the wheel on. We're gonna give the car a good wash before we roll it inside. A big thanks to E36 Automotive for supplying the strut and the control arm that we're borrowing from him until our new ones come in, and Egg Industries for letting us borrow a MAF and a DISA valve, which are clearly broken on our car because our strut is pushed in a bit. We're gonna go ahead and get these changed out and hear the car run for the first time. So we got everything in the engine fixed. A few parts were replaced, and we wedged the 2x4 in between the radiator engine so the belt isn't hitting the fan. But let's go ahead and see if this thing will start up. Check how many miles it got. We still haven't checked. 87,000. 87,000 miles, so let's go ahead and start it up. Started right up. It's running good, sounds good. Has a little burble to it, so let's go ahead and get this thing rolled inside. Probably gonna go ahead and wash it first. So let's get the C10 pulled out and this thing pulled in by the garage and give it a good wash. So we got the whole car rolled in. We put it in the back corner. We're gonna go ahead and order all the parts for it. And it's definitely gonna need to be put on a frame machine, but one of our neighbors has a frame machine, so we'll probably take it to him. But in the meantime, we just parked it back here. We're gonna go ahead, try finding all the parts that we need, maybe even buy a parts car so we can get a manual swap for it. But other than that, it is a very nice car and definitely one of my dream cars and also my brother's dream car. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and don't miss out on the next videos. And also stay tuned. Maybe we'll do a giveaway.